Now remember, to delete a row or a column you don't like, you can either right click on one of the row numbers, or you can go up here and right click on the column heading and hit delete and completely take it away. And now we're going to go to the data tab, and I'm going to show you, if this hadn't been set up as a table, we could have added a sort or a filter by going here. It is set up as a table, so I'm going to show you a multiple level sort. If you click sort, we had it sorted by last name. We actually want to sort first by gender, then by last name. So we can change this to gender, then we're going to add a level, and then we're going to do that to last name. Now when I hit OK, you'll see it was Terry Anderson first, female, then Sally Brown, then Joe Doe. And we hit OK, and now it's all the females together in alphabetical order, then all the males together in alphabetical order. If you wanted to get rid of filters, you can actually get rid of every single filter you have going on by hitting clear here, and it would get rid of them. It also took away the thought that we were sorting these. It doesn't think we're sorting these anymore. It didn't unsort them, but it just doesn't think that they're sorted. And if you wanted to get rid of the auto filter drop downs, you could by just clicking on filter. It goes away. Now we're going to actually make a pie chart using this information that we made from earlier. So go to your Insert tab, highlight A10, A11, B10, and B11. All together, you want to do that in one fell swoop. And then we're going to go to pie, and we're going to pick this 3D pie chart. And you could actually do the separated one if you like. And I'm going to drag mine down, and notice I just accidentally grabbed this plot area, so it moved the plot area, not the chart. If you want to be sure you're grabbing the chart, grab the edge of the line and then pull down to make sure that you're getting the right area. And this is the information that our chart was made with. It's this male and female information. As soon as we entered the chart tools box or group came up into this, and we have a design tab, a layout tab, and a format tab now with its own groupings. And if we click on the chart, we can do things with this. So we can highlight and change colors. We want to change the styles. You can change the chart layouts. You can go to the layout tab, and this is where we would add chart title. So we're going to add a chart title. We want to do it above the chart, and we're going to call it Gender Breakout. You can also change your legend to where you want to show it at the top, the left, at the bottom. Data labels are really good to have. Data labels are going to be, like for instance, it telling me how many were in each. And we can do best fit, and it's going to say there were 2 of these and 4 of these. You can also more data label options, and I'm going to pick percentage, and I'm going to take off value, and that way you can see the percentage of each. I'm going to hit close, and there's just tons of stuff in here. You just go through. I don't want these to both be pink. They're just, even though this is darker, it still looks the same to me as this one, and if a person were colorblind, they'd have a lot of trouble. So I'm actually going to go to my format. I've got this shape selected. I'm going to go to shape fill, and I'm going to change the shape color for just that shape. You can also change the shape effects to add different things, like I added a shadow underneath here. You can do that to both of them or just one of them. You can give them outlines. You can pull this down, and you just kind of change how it looks. You can do things with 3D rotation, shadowing, formatting. There's border styles, border colors, fills. And when you're printing a chart, you are unselected, and I were to go to print preview, it's going to show everything that was in my print area. So, excuse me, I need to fix my print area. I'm going to go to view, I'm going to go to page break preview, and I'm going to take a look. And if you notice, the blue line stops here. It doesn't show my chart. So I'm going to move it down so that it'd be able to show my chart when I printed. Now I'm going to go back to my Home tab. Actually, I'm going to go back to my hit normal, because I like to look at it in a normal way. And I'm going to hit print preview so that I can see what it looks like. So I've got my whole chart and my whole data sheet. Well, if you want to just print your chart, you can do that pretty easily by just clicking on the chart. When you click on the chart and hit print preview, it will automatically print just that chart full page landscape. Now there are all sorts of charts that you can pick. You'll notice if I'm unselected, the chart tools go away, but if I'm selected on it, the chart tools are there. You can switch all sorts of things. You can change the chart type, and then you can make it a flat pie chart, or you can change the type and make it a column chart. Go to your templates, make it a line chart. There's just different options. So feel free to play around with the charts. You never know until you start playing how it's going to affect anything. And if you're interested in pivot tables, please take a look at my next tutorial.